people, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing new exhaust tips. I've gone for 4-inch rolled instead of 4-inch slash cut, which is what I've got now. I've gone for them just to be a bit different. I haven't seen no other Mark 6 with 4-inch rolled. Everyone's got like the 4-inch slash or just a 4-inch straight cut. Rob's coming down, he's on his way down now. We're just gonna do it on a drive. He's gonna unclamp the other ones, weld on the new ones. I've bought 2.5-inch to 4-inch reducer, so that makes it easier for Rob to weld on. We're gonna head down to Billy at CTG Performance now and get all the exhaust lined up properly, because where I had the engine out and stuff like that, I just put it back together and I didn't actually line up the exhaust properly. So it's been very kind of Bill to let me use the ramp. So we're going to go down there first, line up the exhaust, then Rob's going to carry on and it should look good. Lined up all the exhaust system with Bill from CTG, like I said. We've just literally took everything off and lined it all back up properly how it's supposed to be, and now we're on our way to Rob. Rob has come down to fit the exhaust tips for me. We have got the back box off because we could not get these elbows off and we wanted to trim them down a little bit. If you want to get any bits welded or anything like that, then I'll put the Instagram below, so you'll be able to get your exhaust tips welded as well. So having a look, we've got the elbows cut down from the Cobra back box. That's the system I have already. And we've got the reducers that will sit on there nicely with the exhaust tip as well, if Rob wouldn't mind holding the exhaust tip up as well. And we'll have that sort of looking something like that. Obviously we'll have to cut this down. We've got both the reducers on now, just ready for the tips in his hand. He's going to mock it up, cut it down. We're just going with that, yeah? Single exit, jack pan out the side.
Yes.
Getting the first one on now, get it tacked on. We've currently got one tip on. Rob's just doing the other one now, lining them up, getting them all perfect. They're looking so much better already. It's currently 9:30 and we are putting the exhaust back on. We've been angle grinding, welding. My neighbours must love me. What he's gonna do, what he's gonna do. They're all done, they're on. The car is on, believe it or not. But yeah, thank you, Rob. So it is the following day. I didn't film much last night with regards to sounds and stuff like that because it was too late. We ended up finishing at 10 o'clock last night. So massive thank you to Rob again for coming down and staying that late and doing it for me. I'm going to take the car out now for a little drive. I doubt it's going to change the tone or anything. Going to film sort of like a POV style. So if you do want another video with just purely POV, let us know in the comments if you want to see a POV style video. Let's go. Get a little downshift here. The bangs still get me. Traction flashing. It's a bit late, mate, wasn't it? Get a nice little first gear pull. Traction proper kicking in there. Wow. with the exhaust tips now being done, we're going to get ready for a car show tomorrow. Going to take it to a nice little breakfast meet, Cars and Coffee tomorrow at AMD tuning. Here's a little before. It's not that bad, but it's just the wheels that always get, you can see, the wheels always just get super dirty. So we're just going to give it a good clean, ready for the show tomorrow. So we're going to start off with rinsing the car first, which is what I always do. Like I said, I don't claim to be a detailer, but when I move on to the wheels, all I use is EZ Aora and I use EZ Viper, and then I just use a bucket of soapy water, a wheel brush, barrel brush, like a normal brush, and then just a wash mitt, and that does it for me. The wheels come out pretty clean. So that is just my quick, simple, easy method of cleaning my wheels, and they come out spotless. That is, even to the barrels, they're literally immaculate. I've rinsed off the first snow foam. Get the first lot of dirt off with the first lot of snow foam, and I normally use pre-wash. Run out of pre-wash, so we'll sacrifice it without the pre-wash this time. So that is the washing done. Just gonna go in with a drying towel now. So that is it. She's all done. She's ready for tomorrow. There's just a little close up now. They're all clean. Everything's all clean. The wheels. Looks lovely now. That is a wrap for today's video. Bit of a short style video today, but drop a comment what you think of the new exhaust tips and what else you'd like me to do to the Mark 6. We've hit 500 subscribers now, which is all down to you guys, so that is much appreciated. Thank you. If you did enjoy today's video, remember to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell notification because that does help, and we'll see you in the next video.